How to log into the Amazon Flex app. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily log into the Amazon Flex app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing that you want to do is have the app installed on your device and just open it up. And once you open the app, you have an option to sign in with your Amazon account or create an account. I'm just going to continue with my Amazon account. And here, your Amazon account will be your control over all of the Amazon apps. So the Flex app is also a subsidiary of the Amazon, so you can use your Amazon account in order to log into your Flex app. Now just provide your password and you should be able to sign into your account. And it's as easy as that. And in case if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password, then you'll just have to recover the password for your entire Amazon account. And then after that, you can easily log in. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.